So welcome to today's video. I'm going to give you guys a full tour and a walkthrough of Design Hotel F6. So this hotel is located in Geneva in Switzerland, and one of the great things about this hotel is its close proximity to the tram lines. So if you leave the hotel and just go around the corner, there is a tram station. So for traveling around the city, it is ideal. Let's head to the reception area. To get to reception, you just have to go up one floor, which you can go by stairs or by the lift. And here we are in reception. There is a small bar here in reception. And there is plenty of comfortable seating all around the area too. Breakfast is served in this area, so I will show you that a little bit later on. And there's also some outdoor seating area too. Over here we have some more seating. And there is a small business corner in reception too. So here there is access to a computer, and there's also a printer there too. And they also have some drinks there which are free of charge for you to have just as a refreshment. But let's go and check out the room that I stayed in. So here we go. Okay, so the room is reasonably sized. There is a large double bed. We have some storage on the left. We have a kettle and a coffee machine. There's a small mini fridge there. A large mirror to the left. And there's quite a large TV on the side there. Yeah, over here there is a desk with a telephone and a notepad. We have a side table with a lamp. I like this kind of orange backing there, that looks quite nice. And you can see those are the plug sockets there. It's typical for Geneva to have that type of 3-pin socket. They've given some complimentary sweets. And this is the bed. There is a reading lamp there on the side. I like this wooden veneering which is above the bed. And the flooring is like a laminate flooring. They've given like a bin there in the corner. The backing behind the TV is like some kind of metallic. It looks to be like a metallic kind of material. Right, there's a small stool there. Here is the reading lamp. The TV is by Samsung. The AC is by Mitsubishi. We have some coat hangers there. Yeah, I was trying to feel if it was actually a metallic backing, but I think it's wooden with like a metallic kind of paint on it. There's a large floor lamp there in the background. Let's check out what we have here. So we have a coffee machine, and we also have a kettle with lots of coffees and teas which they've provided too. These are the coffee pods. And some coffee too. Sugar there and teas in the background. They have given like plastic cups there, which they do look a bit flimsy. We've got some Lipton yellow label tea. Let's check the mini fridge underneath. So you do have to pay for these. These aren't complimentary, unfortunately. So we have a good supply of stuff if you do want to access the mini fridge. This is the prices for it all. Now let's check out the wardrobe space. Alright, so it is a small wardrobe. There are hangers there for you to hang your clothes on. Small size, to be honest, but you know, for the type of room I wouldn't expect anything bigger. On the left side there's a safe which you can use. Let's go and check out the bathroom. So we have tiled flooring and we have one of those step-in showers or cubicle showers. I like the kind of mosaic tiles, the green tiles there on the side. The room itself and the bathroom is very clean, so I think they do keep it to a good high standard. And you can see the seat there was disinfected. And yeah, so this is the bathroom. There's an extra supply of toilet roll. Standard shower, and this is the sink area. The soap is by a company called Naturals. Okay, so that's pretty much everything for the bathroom. A reasonable room, to be honest. They have all the basic stuff. The water from the sink is drinkable, safe to drink. Yeah, nothing too amazing, but you know, it is very clean. The design is nice. Yeah, so that's this hotel room for you. Now the hotel does provide breakfast, so just in reception they kind of open the blinds and reveal this breakfast area. It's kind of like a canteen kind of style, so here we have breakfast. The hotel also has some other features like a gym, a sauna and a steam room, so let's go downstairs to the basement because that's where it's located. You do need your card to access these areas. In this area there are also conference rooms as well. So just next to the lifts going to reception, I noticed there was a small doorway here too, and it said ice cube machine. So I thought I'd just go and check it out. Here there is like a shoe shiner or a shoe cleaner. There is an ice machine also here, so if you wanted to get some ice, you can get that from here. And I think this is just the general garage space. So the hotel does have parking, so there's a few spaces here for you. Okay, so that's pretty much everything for this hotel. I hope you've been able to get a good idea as to what you can expect if you do visit this hotel. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.